Hi guys, in this video we'll be transforming this normal Windows desktop to an attractive Spider-Man themed desktop. And even if you're not a Spider-Man fan, I believe you can learn a thing or two from this video. Without wasting much time, let's go straight to the point. First thing you want to do here is to get rid of all the icons on your desktop. By doing that, you just right click here, go on to view, and go down here to show desktop icon. Just left click on that. As we can see, we don't have desktop icon, but do not worry, these icons are not deleted. You can just reverse the same step and get your icons back. All right, after doing that, you want to go down to your taskbar. You want to ensure to remove any unwanted icons from here. Right click on here and unpin. For instance, if you don't want Microsoft Store to appear here, you just right click on there and select unpin taskbar. Having done all that, we want to proceed to our next step. Here we're just going to go onto our browser. I have prepared some links. First thing you want to do is to download this file. All right, here we have these images which are already prepared for you. You just have to visit the drive and download it. Upon there, we go onto our folder. Here we have the zip file, which I believe you've already downloaded by now from the drive. So you just have to right click on this and extract. Okay, because I'm using WinRAR, I'm just going to go here and extract here. Now we have two files. Here we have image and we have a video. First thing we want to do is select this image, right click on it, set as desktop background. All right, when you do that, now we have this nice Spidey image on our desktop. We're not done yet with this. Now you want to go to your Microsoft Store. Here you want to search for lively wallpapers. Lively wallpaper. All right, so we have the app there. Just left click on that and install. Now the download is done. All you have to do is to select open. So this is what a lively wallpaper looks like. All right, we go onto our settings first. Select this settings icon. We have to ensure these two are toggled on. Then we want to go onto system. On the tax theme, you want to select this arrow down here and choose clear. Just left click on that. Having done that, you want to go back here. On the top here, you want to select add wallpaper, and if we go down back to a folder, we go back to this, and I'm just gonna take this video, just drag it right here. As we can see, our video appears in lively wallpaper. Just select OK. After doing that, we can see here that now we have this cool Spidey graphics going on here, but we're not done yet. Now we go to our next step, which is we go on to Rainmeteter, and again I'll be leaving all these links in the description for you guys, so it's easy for you. And on the Rainmeteter.net, you want to go down here and download. Once it's downloaded, again we're going to go to our download folder. So just highlight on this Rainmeteter setup, right click on it and run as administrator. Standard installation, just next, and finish. After downloading the Rainmeteter, we go onto our next website, which is deviantart.com. And here, first thing you want to do, guys, is to ensure you create an account or login. Otherwise, you're going to have issues downloading files from here. I'm just going to proceed to download this Gruvy Rainmeteter skin. All you have to do is to go here to the free download and select this arrow down icon. Again, we're going to go to our folder. Now we already have this Rainmeteter skin. Just double click on that, select install. After installing, and you notice there's nothing happening. All right, so all you have to do is to go down here, click on this arrow here, then you can see this Rainmeteter icon. Select this icon. By now you should see the Groovy here, but it shows like nothing is happening here actually. So you want to come down here and select refresh all. Once you do that, you notice this Groovy skin pops up, and let's see if anything happens on a desktop. Nothing is happening yet, so you're gonna expand this Groovy. What you have to do is to expand the calendar, touch on this and select load. As we can see, the change is right here. Open this, select groovy.ini and select load. Okay, you can see the changes again here. do the same for everything. Select this and load. Actually, this is up to you what you want to appear on your desktop. All right, so you select this and load. Right, select the player, load. So whatever you don't need, like I just loaded this, if you don't need it, just go ahead and unload it. Once you unload, it disappears from your desktop. Like if I click on the setting, if I load it, if I don't want the setting to appear anymore, then I just go ahead and unload it. Okay, expand this virtualizer, select this, load. Now you're going to go back again to the top of it, expand this, select, and go down here, choose on desktop. So you're going to do this for basically all the widgets, and this is already like that, so close it, expand this, select it on desktop. Right here, expand it, select it, go here on desktop, select on desktop. We don't have to do that on the settings. You just go here on virtualizer, select it, expand here on desktop, close it. So close this, just keep it tidy. And here we just minimize this first. Right, this widget is actually movable, it's not fixed, so you can drag this wherever you want it to be, but I want it to be on the left. I'm going to drag this calendar down a bit so it stays just right there. It's just nice here. I'm going to take this back and I want to remove this and move this to the side. Right, you can restart or shut down your computer with these buttons. This is your time, and here you have your calendar. This is your hard disk space, other things here. When you have music playing on your computer, you have this colorful effect going on here. Having done this, we have just one more thing to do. As we can see here, we have this Windows cursor, which doesn't really fit with our current Outlook. So we're going to change this by going on to our next website. All right, and again in deviantart.com, we have this Windows 11 cursors concept free by Jeffrey Creations. Ensure to create an account and log in first, then we'll just proceed to download these cursors. And again, we proceed to our download folder. So here we have the Windows 11 cursor, which we downloaded from the deviantart.com. And just to keep things organized, we're just gonna drag this into a new folder. So just go up here and select the arrow down here, select folder. All right, you have a new folder here, just drag it in, open the new folder, and you're just gonna right click on this and you can select extract all. Okay, since I'm using WinRAR, I just go here and extract here. And here we have all these files here. All right, the two major concerns here are these two folders. All right, here we have dark, here we have light. Okay, let's go for the dark cursor. Just select that and select the cursor. So I'm just gonna go on to this install, highlight it, right click on it and select install. So you're gonna get this pop-up. All you have to do is to go here and click on this arrow down. So you're gonna choose this particular one that says Windows 11 Cursors Dark Free by Jeffrey Creations. Just left click on that, select apply. If this pops up, just select yes and click OK. Now as you can see, we have this brand new cursor, this dark cursor, which looks unique. Close everything. As we can see, it matches well with our Spider-Man theme. That is very much it, guys. I hope you find this video interesting. I'll be waiting for your comment in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications so you get notified when we post content like this. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day and peace.